Food is the basic necessity of our life, but some people eat it too less and some eat it too much. Every food and drink should be consumed within limits, and this not only applies to junk food but to healthy foods like fruits, vegetables and water, and certainly applies to dairy products. So, in today's video we'll discuss about the weird things that can happen to your body if you have too much dairy products. Hello family, I'm Vivek and you're watching Fit Family TV. Dairy has a special place in a lot of people's hearts. We add butter to make everything delicious, and some people can't just have their coffee without cream. But there is one term associated with dairy that is called lactose. Now, what is lactose? It is a sugar that is naturally present in the milk of most mammals, including cows and buffaloes, who are the major producers of milk. To digest this sugar, our body produces an enzyme called lactase. Lactase is highly present in babies and kids, but it reduces with age. When we consume too much dairy, it leads to depletion of lactase, and thus we are not able to digest lactose, that is dairy. So what happens to our body when we consume too much dairy? Firstly, digestive problems. Consuming too much dairy can cause problems like bloating, constipation and diarrhea. And if you find yourself clutching your stomach soon after you had a big glass of milk, it could be because you're lactose intolerant. Milk is rich in calcium, but it also has acidic properties, which in the long term can cause problems like arthritis and inflammation. And if you already have arthritis, it may get worse. Skin problems. It may be surprising to you, but consuming too much dairy products can cause harm to your skin. According to a research, consuming too much milk can cause acne, as milk can alter the hormones that increase the skin cell growth. According to another study, people who drank more milk as teenagers had more blemishes in their adulthood, and in severe cases the problem is much worse. One of my friends had a skin problem called hives. In India, it is called chapaki. Hives are red, itchy skin rashes which are triggered by some allergic reaction. Over the years, her problem started to increase, so she thought of consulting a dermatologist. And the doctor strictly asked her not to consume dairy. And since that day, the problem is much better and it hasn't occurred again. So if you are having skin issues, puffiness or blemishes, try cutting down on your dairy intake. Increased risk of heart diseases. According to a study, consuming too much dairy can increase the risk of heart diseases over a period of time. The study found that women who drank 3 or more glasses of milk each day had nearly double the risk of heart disease. And a man's chance of death increases by 10% when they drank 3 or more glasses of milk each day. According to the PCRM, milk and other dairy products are top sources of fat that clogs your arteries. And cheese is especially dangerous because typical cheeses are 70% fat. And also because fat is accumulated in the arteries, you are at an increased risk of high blood pressure. And high blood pressure and hypertension can be the cause of heart attacks in the future. Increased risk of cancer. The same study found that women who drank 3 or more glasses of milk each day had 44% increased risk of cancer as compared to women who drank 1 or less than 1 glass of milk every day. Some studies also found that high dairy intake can be linked to prostate cancer in men. Cause of migraines. There is a protein present in milk called casein, and casein makes almost 78.7% of the whole milk protein. Also, casein is a major trigger for headaches and migraines. If you are having too much headaches and migraines, it could be because you're consuming too much dairy products like milk and cheese, etc. We all must have heard in our childhood that milk makes our bones stronger. Yes, right. But this is not the case with adults. If you drink 3 or more glasses of milk in a day, you are at an increased risk of bone fracture by 16%. Yes, Calcium makes our bones stronger, but you should not only be dependent upon dairy for your calcium intake. Green leafy vegetables and legumes are also a very good source of calcium for you. And if you want to make your bones stronger, then exercising every day is highly recommended. The right amount of dairy, as recommended by the USDA, is 3 cups in a day. That is 1 serving of milk, 1 serving of yogurt, 1 ounce of cheese or half cup of cottage cheese every day. But if you are lactose intolerant, 3 cups a day is way too much for you. The amount of dairy varies from person to person. Choosing the right amount of dairy intake for you requires trial and error because there is no perfect formula for that. If that second glass of milk is making your stomach bloated, make sure that you're only having 1 glass. And you can also choose non-lactose milk and yogurt as they are readily available in the supermarkets these days. So I advise you not to overconsume dairy. But cutting dairy altogether from your diet won't help you either. Your body produces lactase to break down lactose, that is dairy. And if you stop consuming dairy, your body will produce less lactase. So the next time you're going to have cheese or an ice cream, that will give you a very hard time for your body to digest that. So don't overconsume dairy. But don't ditch dairy altogether. Be a smart eater. Listen to what your body says and do accordingly. I hope this video is going to be useful for you. Share this video with your friends and family and help them. If you like the information given in this video, give it a big and press the subscribe button and the bell icon to become the part of the family. I'm Vivek, you're watching Fit Family TV, you're the family.